Hey Ramley, come with me to my university counseling appointment. So if you didn't know, VCU has university counseling services available for free to all VCU students located here in the Commons. They offer services like skills groups, support groups, and short-term therapy. If you find that you need more than short-term therapy, they also offer case management and referral to help you find resources in the greater community. For individuals experiencing a mental health emergency, they have 24/7 crisis services available by walk-in or phone. As you can see, it's located on the second floor of the Commons, down the hall from the ballroom, room 238. Once you enter the space, you can ring the bell to talk to a person at the front desk. After that, since I already had an appointment, I'm just walking over to this cute little area to sign in. After I did that, I walked over to this waiting area and waited for my counselor to come